So I just got done giving a demo of our CRM and how it can work for different trades. This one was a roofing company, so I showed them the insides of our projects, how it's related to different people, and you can kind of go in and out of these projects if you need, add any details directly to that project, add any tasks, and communicate with your client using a client portal with the ease of Notion and the grace that databases provide. So if you had anything that you wanted to go into it, you can assign companies, contacts, meetings, estimates, and pretty much anything that you need so that you see all your meetings on a single spot. You have all the deliverables based on whatever project this goes into, so anybody that's going to be doing it, they can come to a single spot, see whatever's going on, and get on with their day. We also have it connected over to a personal dashboard, so anybody on your team goes to a single spot every day, and then they have the entire back end to support it. So if you wanted to go see your projects, you can go see your projects. If you want to go see prospects, you can go see your prospects. And it's pretty simple to use, where anybody on your team can track their interactions, track their activities, and ensure that they're doing what they're supposed to generate the results that they know they can. So just wanted to give you a fun little overview of how we have this set up for different teams. We have the analytics down below for the different statuses, and if we have it set up over here, we can see the different statuses and the values for each of those status. We can pretty much set up any page that they need to track any stat that they want, link it up to whatever invoicing tool that they have, or however we want to do that, and create a single, with a click of a button, create an invoice. It's one of the coolest things that you ever saw, and the best part is you don't pay a subscription for this. You own the tool completely and customize it to your individual needs and your workflows to set it up how you want. So this is how we have it set up for the baseline level CRM, where you have templates for different projects, different statuses, and all that good stuff, so that you press one button and get it where you need. Gotta love Notion, don't you?